guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glambykiki. Welcome if you are new. I go by the name of Glambykiki on my social media, and I do everything of beauty, fashion hauls, makeup, hair, you name it. Don't forget to join the GlamFam and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified every time I upload. And for today's video is a unboxing video with Shoptreschiccosmetics. I've been having a hard time saying this name, guys. Please bear with me. I'm sorry if I'm butchering it. Shoptreschiccosmetics. So I'll leave the notation bar right over here with the name of the brand. They were so nice enough to send me over a PR package of their lashes and lip glosses, which are so cute. Swatch the lip glosses on my lip and try the lashes on for you guys, and I am going to let you guys know at the end of the video how I feel and what I think about the products, and I go and break down the pricing and all that jazz. So if you want to continue this video, watching this video, and know how I feel about this brand and if you guys may like it or not, go ahead and continue watching. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys, because it does help me out a lot. It lets me know as well that you guys are liking these types of videos. If not, let me know, guys, in the comments down below what you guys want to see next for future videos. Greatly appreciate it. And let's get straight into this video. Shoptreschiccosmetics were so nice enough to go ahead and send me their new releases of lashes and lip gloss. So I want to show you guys how they sent them. Super cute. It sent me 4 pairs of lashes and 3 lip glosses. So I want to get into how each of the lashes look as well as how the lip glosses look. So I will be doing swatches and I will be trying on each lash that they sent me so you guys can get a look and feel of how the lashes look on a real human instead of me just showing you them out of the packaging. So I wanted to show you as well their little note card that they sent. It says, "Thank you for supporting us. We hope you enjoy the items that were picked out just for you. We look forward to working with you again in the future." And then it has their info down below, their website. And then on the back is a handwritten note that says, "Hi Kiki, we are so excited to share our new releases with you. Can't wait to see the looks you create." And then it has a little social media drop bar right here that has their Instagram, their Facebook, as well as their email address where you can contact them at. So I love how cute this is. Thank you so much, Shoptreschiccosmetics, for sending me this wonderful PR package. I love them so far, so I can't wait to try them on for you guys. So I'll be right back. I do also have a discount code with them, so if you are liking what you are seeing so far throughout the video, I will be leaving the Glambykiki discount code down below as well. I will pop them out here and there throughout the video, just so when you are purchasing at checkout you use Glambykiki, so you get 20% off your purchase, and they're super affordable, so why not? And I also wanted to let you guys know that I'm giving you guys my 100% honest review and opinion. Just because they sent me this package doesn't mean that I'm just going to like fake it and be like, yeah, I love the product because they sent it for free. No, I want to be honest and upfront with you guys, and I want to let you guys know how the products actually work and how they feel and how they look. Okay guys, so being that I already gave you guys the look of the lashes and the lip gloss, I'm gonna sit down and give you guys my honest opinion on how I feel about the products and the quality. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with the lashes. First of all, the lashes are really fluffy. So I love the fact that they're fluffy and they don't feel heavy. Right now I stood with the Sassy ones, I believe I have on right now. Let me see. I have Sassy on right now, and they're super wisp. They have gaps in between, so they're kind of like long short, long short, long short, and I love that type of lash. So I love how lightweight they are, and I had no problem putting them on and putting them back off and trying the next ones. So far the quality is really good with these lashes. Like, I cannot stress enough that my eyes, by the way, are very sensitive, and they tear for anything. Literally, while I'm putting on lash glue, when I'm putting mascara on, when I put lashes on, I'm always tearing on this eye especially. But I just did this whole like take off, put on, take off and put on with these lashes, and I have not even teared, not one time. So that's a good thing. So I love the quality of these lashes. So it's cotton bands and they are mink lashes, so I think this is a great quality, especially for the price too, guys. The price is very affordable. The lashes are $16.99, which is very, very great, especially for mink lashes, because you know mink lashes are very high priced now in the beauty industry. They come from 26 and higher, especially if you guys are big fans of Lily lashes and all that jazz. You know they go for 26 and up. So if you're looking for something more on the affordable side, I definitely would recommend these lashes from Shoptreschiccosmetics, because these are hands down one of the most comfortable yet very high luxury like quality of lashes, which is very unusual to find, especially if they're more on the affordable side. So I'm super happy with the lashes for sure. Every single lash that I tried on definitely are soft, luscious and comfortable. So I cannot stress the fact that if you're looking for something more on the affordable side and you don't feel like spending money on high priced mink lashes that you're only could probably wear like twice, I would definitely recommend these lashes. And you guys also get a 20% off with your purchase if you use my code Glambykiki at checkout when you're buying your lashes or your lip gloss or both. So make sure to use that if you are a fan of, you know, discount codes. If you want to save a little bit of a coin, I definitely recommend use it. And let me know what you think of the lashes that you purchased or which ones you're getting. Let me know in the comments down below. The lip glosses I have on right now still chocolate number 4. That one is my ultimate favorite right now at the moment, because I love like a chocolatey nude and like very brown like colors. I love how pigmented they are on their own. They don't feel sticky to the point that you feel like your lips are gonna like stick together and it feels like very tacky. I like that they go on very smooth. They're very high shine, but they don't add that extra guck like in the center of your mouth. That's very, very nice. And the price, guys, once again, I cannot stress the fact that the price is very, very affordable. The lip glosses go for $12.99. So with that 20% off with my code that I give you guys, you can definitely save a little bit of coin as well. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite lash and which was your favorite gloss. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video so I could get it up for you guys ASAP, so you guys can see all of this goodness. So I see you guys in my next video.